Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to create a Fury effect in Photoshop. For this tutorial we'll be using an action called Fury Photoshop Action. All we need to do is prepare your photo for the action. First, let's install the action by double-clicking it after downloading it. The link to the action file is in the description below. Now to the actual photo editing. Open the image of your choice. For the action to work, we need to make a selection of the area of the main subject and paint it with a solid color. To do this, simply create a new layer and start going over your subject by a brush. You can also apply various selection techniques to select the main subject. Once you have created the new layer with a solid color over your main subject, rename it to Brush. After this, go to Windows, Actions. This will open the Actions tab if it wasn't opened automatically. Now simply select the Fury Photoshop action and tap the play button and wait while the magic is happening. Once the action is complete, you'll have your Fury effect ready to be saved. This might seem complicated at first, but it's an easy automation that yields amazing results. Have you ever seen this effect before on any other photos? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.